In today's video, I'm going to break down an absolute terrible setup that I took on gold, but made a lot of money. Well, I say it's terrible. It's not actually terrible because it met all the rules and I made a lot of money. But looking back, it was very, very messy. And the reason why I want to tell you this is because a lot of YouTubers out there, when they're talking about their strategy or win ratio or whatever, they always show you the good stuff. You know, the good month, the good days, the good setups. But I'm going to be transparent. I'm going to be different. I'm going to tell you a setup that met the rules and it made me a lot of money, but it wasn't, it was messy. It was a messy setup. But I want you to take two things from it. First one is listen to me, okay? Everything I'm going to tell you, I tell you for a reason because it works. And if you actually understand the rules in here, and you understand why I did this and why I did that, you'll understand why I won the trade and made a lot of money, even though the trade was terrible. And also, just to add, London Open Mogwai strategy won again today. We are on a 3-week running streak, which is funny because last week I was saying to a trader, because he was like, oh, London Open strategy doesn't work, taking Mogwai arrows. And I said to him, just trade. All I ask is for 1 hour, not even 1 hour a day, trade London Open with me for 1 week with the BD members. And if you don't make money, I will give you £50. And funny, since I said that, it has not lost. And you know what? He never took me up on that offer. I don't know why. Perhaps he didn't want me to prove him wrong or his ego was too big. But I mean, I'm not bothered. It's just been insane. But yeah, it won today and it will probably win Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You'll find out if it won for the rest of this week on Thursday's video. But enjoy today's video. So to begin with, let's actually show you the setup on gold. So I took this sell on gold around 2 weeks ago, okay? I took it with the BD members on the TradingView mobile app, so the buy and short on the TradingView mobile app, and I took a beautiful sell with the trend. So as you can see here, I'm just going to pause it. I entered on these Mogwai arrows, and if I just pause it just there, you'll notice we had a slight bit of drawdown and then price just absolutely dropped. You see me here. I'm just going to, yeah. You see me here taking the trade. It was like £2,600. I pretty much made in like 1 hour. There you go there. Close it off there. It was an absolute beautiful setup. You see a £2,800 for the day. We'll probably go back to the setup here. And there you go there. Absolute beautiful setup. But looking at it now, it was kind of messy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simulate exactly what happened now. And we're going to break it down step by step and show you how this messy setup, even though it was messy, made me a lot of money. So let's jump straight onto the charts. Okay, so what I've got now on my screen is the binary destroyer on the 1 minute time frame on the left, and I've got gold on the 1 hour time frame on the right. And basically we're just going to trade the Mogwai strategy, and I'll show you the exact setup that I took and then show you and explain to you how to make money, right? Because listen, you need to listen to everything I tell you. I have 7 years of chart experience, right? I know where to put my stop losses. I know where to put my take profits. And what I say to you, I say it for a reason, because if you listen, you'll make money, okay? Obviously, I can't, for legal reasons, I can't say you'll actually make money. But let's just say if you follow my guidance and support, you have the best opportunity, okay? So I'm just going to press play on this simulator, right? And I want to show you something, right? And this is like literally how simple trading needs to be, right? So basically, look at this here. We've got a Mogwai signal. MACD's gone overbought, okay? Why would I take this one and not any other Mogwai signal? Let's have a look at the 1 hour charts. Okay, is price in a downtrend or is it in an uptrend? So let's mark up here. You've got an area of resistance. Hold on here. I haven't actually Give me a sec. Okay, I'm back. So I needed to draw on my screen. Okay, so basically we have got lower lows, previous low, lower high. We've come up to an area of resistance. Look at this here. Trend down, pull back. Basically, everybody's selling here. Let's sell with the trend. Yeah, that's it. That's it, right? That's it. We're going to put our stop loss out of the way because we know as a trader, experienced trader, there is going to be liquidity here, meaning that institutions know that. And if they're going to drive the price up, they're going to stop out retail and drop price. We're fine. Our stop loss is going to be out the way. I don't know if this trade won. I'm not sure I actually took this live. Okay, but we'll get there. So on gold, I'm going to go back to the, let's get rid of that there. Let's get rid of that there. Okay, let's go back to the charts. We're going to take this trade here. I'm going to take it exactly at the Mogwai signal as soon as we cross over just there. I'm going to put my stop loss out of the way. So to give you an example here, we'll go for 300 pip stop loss, 600 pip take profit. This is gold, by the way. So stop loss is out of the way. Take profit is fine. Hopefully win the trade. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, price is kind of fluctuating at the minute. We're just going to sit and hold the trade. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that, simple, nice trade with the trend in and out. We look at all these Mogwai signals that appear in here. Look at all these buys here. Are these with the trend or against the trend? They're against the trend because you know price is in a downtrend. It's just created that lower low just there. See that? There's the previous low. So we're still in a downtrend. So no setup at the minute. Okay, we're just going to carry on watching the charts. Okay. Again, we're just going to sit here. We're going to sit here patiently waiting. That there, do you want to pause it here as well? Okay, I wouldn't normally take this trade. I wouldn't normally take this trade here. Okay, because the MACD, not the MACD, the price is not outside of the zone. So see here, see how the price is not outside the zone? It needs to be kind of outside the zone, not inside it. But look here, right? If you zoom in, look at this little break and retouch here. Look at that. Okay, look at that. See that little break and retouch just there? Break, come down, retouch, drop. Wouldn't take that normally, but just to give you an example here on kind of, you know, how the Mogwai strategy works, price drops, down, okay? So at the minute, nothing's happening at the minute. We're kind of just going sideways. We pop up into an area of resistance. Again, I want to show you another setup here. Look at this one. This one's a better setup. Look at this one. Again, MACD's gone overbought. Mogwai signal, okay, and again, we've come back up to this area of resistance. Now, because we've come back up to the same area of resistance, okay, because it's not one touch now, it's 3 touches of this 1 hour resistance. It's 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. We're probably going to be manipulated now because it's drawing in liquidity and it's going to break this and probably drop, right? It's common sense, okay? Just think about it. If there's a lot of touches of a support and resistance, it's drawing in liquidity. If price was in a downtrend, it would be all the way down here by now, but it isn't. It's bouncing off here, which it basically did the last 2 or 3 times. So I would take this. I personally would take this trade, but I would go for a 1-to-1, okay? I would go for a 1-to-1. So I would probably put a stop loss of around 200 pips and a take profit of 200 pips. In and out, no messing about. Hopefully you win the trade. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, I'll do it bar by bar. Okay, we be stopped out. You see how we got stopped out there? Liquidity. Now, right, you see here how we then, see here, how we then take out liquidity just here. Watch this now. Watch this here. So same again, MACD's gone overbought, Mogwai signal. Okay, and if we just bring it up here, we're still at that area of resistance. We're still in this whole zone here. I would again take this back down. In fact, I'll go for, again, I'll take this back down and I'll go for 300 pip stop loss this time. And I'll go for a 600 pip take profit. So what I'm doing here is my stop loss again is further higher up because again, I know right now we're taking out liquidity. We're still in a downtrend, right? Because we're still creating lower lows and lower highs, right? This here on the 1 hour charts, look, is still lower than here. It's still a downtrend, okay? So don't be like, oh, it's going into an uptrend. It isn't, right? Again, I don't know if this trade's going to win. It should win. Okay, look, straight away it bounces off that area of resistance. We should have a big move down here, or I hope we do. Okay, and yes, we are. We come down. Please come down. Okay. Perfect. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, now watch this. You see how we get a lot of buys here now? Are we going to take these buys here? A lot of people look at this here on the 1 hour charts and they go, oh, look, Jamie, it says support line. Why would it be a support line there? Why would you take this here? If price is in a downtrend, and it does here, trend down, pull back, the next move is going to be a lower low. So buying here would make absolutely no sense, right? It just doesn't make logical sense why we would do that, okay? So again, we are going to, we're not going to take those buys there. And the same again, we carry on going down. It's still going into a downtrend. Okay, so big move down here. Let's wait for the next pullback in the market. Okay, looks like a pullback is happening here. Okay, that's great, but I don't know where the pullback's going to happen. So we're just going to sit and hold tight here. So here we go. Here's the pullback. It's starting to, just want to show you, it looks like it's building an area of resistance just here. Looks like price is being stuck at that level, which is fine. It's telling me where the area of structure is. Okay, look at that there. Bang. We pop a Mogwai signal right at that area of resistance now. Boom. 5 steps ahead of everybody. Look at that there. Okay, so area of resistance, pull back again, Mogwai signal, okay? Mogwai signal. Now, same again, because we are doing a number of touches from this area here, okay? I am assuming we're going to be drawing in liquidity. So I want to put my stop loss out of the way on this one. I wouldn't say this is going to be a good trade with the trend. So same again, I'm going to go for a 1-to-1 on this one. I'm going to go for a 1-to-1. So again, I'm going to go for, I'm going to put my stop loss out of the way on this one. So I'm going to go for about a 400 pip stop loss. And we'll go for a 500 pip take profit. Okay, so just over a 1-to-1 on this one. Just over a 1-to-1. Hopefully we win the trade. Okay, we'll see what happens. Come on, come down, come down. Beautiful. Look at that there. Look at that. It's simple, isn't it? Once you identify the trend, we are rinsing out at the minute. We're rinsing out 4.1% gain. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I could sit here and all day long and I could just repeat this process over and over again. Mogwai signal here against the trend. Doesn't make any logical sense why you would take that one. Okay. If this is going to be in a downtrend, by the way, if this is going to be in a downtrend, we need to be breaking that low just there. Okay. So at the minute we haven't broken that low. We've just bounced off it. Okay. So this could be, oh, there we go there. There we go there. So we're now broken it below. Hopefully we pull back and I get a Mogwai signal. Okay. Do I get a Mogwai signal? Am I getting a Mogwai signal? No. Okay. Come on, pull back, give me a Mogwai signal, give me a Mogwai signal, come on, we're pulling back now, we're pulling, come on, no, still no Mogwai signal. Okay, so we need to come down a bit more. Okay, now we're going sideways, now we come down again, okay, I'm not, that here, look at this here. Look at that Mogwai signal. Look at that there with the trend. Notice how every Mogwai signal with the trend for a sell is winning. Can you see that? Now, the reason why I wouldn't take that is because there is no structure here. In fact, I tell a lie. Let me show you one. That Mogwai signal, I just want to show you something, right? You see that Mogwai signal just here, right? I'm on the 1 hour charts now. I'm on the 1 hour charts, okay? So same again, MACD's gone overbought, Mogwai signal, you know, it's a good trade. Even though I can't see a resistance area or break and retouch on the 1 hour, watch this. If I bring up now the 15-minute charts, you will see a break and retouch on the 1 hour charts. Look at that. Look at that there. Thank you very much. Look at that break and retouch. Thank you very much. Break, retouch. We'll put our stop loss above that area there. So let's go for 300 pip stop loss. 600 pip take profit. What nice 1-to-2 with the trend. Look at that. Go back to 1 minute time frame. Boom. We should win this. This should be a good sell with the trend. Okay, this should be a good sell with the trend. Hopefully it pulls back. Beautiful. Come down. Come down. Nice, nice. That's annoying. Come on, keep coming down. Nice, 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 nice. Beautiful. Look at that. Come on, we now made 6%. Right, now watch this. I'm going to wind it forward because I could sit and do this all day. Look, same again. There's the other Mogwai signal there. Look at that one there. Same again with the trend. If I go back to the 15-minute charts, look where that signal appeared. Just here. Same again. Break and retouch. Look at this one here. Same again. Break and retouch. So again, we come back up. Look at that. Liquidity sweep. Mogwai signal. Thank you very much. Bang. I mean, you know, I'm not going to sit and do this every single day, but let me show you that trade on gold on which I made a lot of money, and it happened on the 29th of June. So, you know, we're still in a downtrend at the minute. We're still in a downtrend. Nothing's telling me anything different, and I need to wind it forward to the 29th of June. Give me a sec here. So on the 23rd, I'm going to have to really wind. Here we go here. 26th, 27th, 28th. Here we go here. So 29th of here. Let me try and find you that Mogwai signal that I took and I made a lot of money. Here we go here. I've got it perfectly. Right? Watch this. Watch this here. Okay? So, same again here. Right? We've got a Mogwai signal. Okay? Mogwai signal. MACD gone overbought. Mogwai signal. We look at the 1 hour charts and what do we have here, ladies and gentlemen? We have a break and retouch and a sell. Now look at these rejection wicks here. Look at these rejection wicks. Is this telling me that there is a support line here? There could be a support line. However, from a Mogwai perspective, everything meets my rules. I've got an area of resistance. I've got a break and retouch. I've got a Mogwai signal. Everything meets the rules. However, because of these rejection wicks here, I'm going to go for 1-to-1 because I'm a bit unsure that we're actually going to go lower at this point here. You know, these rejection wicks are telling me that buyers are coming into the market. It does not mean not take a trade because I'd be going against my own Mogwai rules and I can't do that because if I start doing that, then I'm not following an entry plan and I'm going to go around in circles. So I have a set of rules. I follow them. They meet the rules. Let's take a trade. I'm just going to be a bit cautious and I'll go for 1-to-1. Normally I take the trade at the Mogwai arrow just here, but I'll just wait for that MACD to cross over, which is just there. Okay, so again, I'm going to go for 1-to-1. We'll go for a 200 pip stop loss, 200 pip take profit. Okay, thank you very much. There's my stop loss. There's my take profit. Hopefully we win this trade. Hopefully we win. Oh, did we win the trade? Oh, hold on, everyone. I've done that a bit too fast here. Hold on, let me go back here. Sorry about that. Okay, so no, I actually got stopped out. And then basically, oh, that's annoying. I got stopped out by about 6 pips. I got stopped out of 60 pips and then price drop. So looking back, if I actually go back to here, I mean, I'm showing you the wrong setup here, but let's say I got stopped out there. I go back to the 1 hour charts. No, I would take that as a loss. Okay. Now this is the setup, right, that made me a lot of money. And I want you to look at it. I want you to look at it here. Okay. So as price goes up now, okay, so obviously we're going to probably go up higher. Let me show you here. So obviously we're going down, we go down. That, you know what, that sell there was definitely very unlucky. Definitely very unlucky, but it is what it is. Okay, so we start to go up now, okay, and this here is where I got multiple Mogwai signals. Now I look at this here, right, and a lot of people are going, oh, but Jamie, you've got multiple Mogwai signals. Every single one of them lost. Why would you take here? Think about it, right? Let's break it down. Okay, so Mogwai signal, yes. MACD's gone overbought, yes. TCA lines just turned red, yes. From a Mogwai perspective, everything meets the rules. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Right, okay, so same again. Price is in a downtrend, so what do? Break and retouch, okay? However, we can also sell at the previous high and low, okay? So there's the previous high, there's the previous low, okay? See that? Low, high, obvious, right? When you look at the setup here, okay, we have got the low. This is that bit where we initially got stopped out. I think we're just unlucky with that trade. but we lost the trade. This here, so if I just mark up, this is the previous low, that is the previous high, okay? That is the new low, this is the new high. Can you see how actually it looks like we're still going into a downtrend, doesn't it? Okay, because we're still going lower low, and it looks like perhaps we're going to go even lower. Now, again, this meets my rules, so I'm not going to not take this trade, okay? And I actually took this for 1 to 2. But again, because we are making equal highs, I feel like we're perhaps having a liquidity sweep. Perhaps price is drawing in liquidity, and we're going to do this. Thank you very much. Bang, drop, which is exactly what happened. But what do I always say? Put your stop loss out the way. Don't become part of liquidity. People with tight stop losses are the people that become liquidity, okay? Our job as traders is to make money. And to make money, we have to win trades, okay? By winning trades, it means putting your stop loss out of the way. If you are a trader that uses tight stop losses, you're not gonna, first of all, getting stopped out is frustrating. It's very demoralizing. It is depressing. And when you get stopped out, you end up forcing trades because you end up having to find trades to get back the losses that you didn't have to have in the first place if you didn't have a tight stop loss. So I took this trade, 400 pip stop loss, 800 pip take profit at the Mogwai arrow. So if I go back to the 1 minute time frame, I took this trade, 400 pip stop loss, 800 pip take profit. Okay, 1 to 2 because I assumed it's with the trend. Look where my stop loss is. Out the way. It's way at the previous high. It's out, just out of the way. I'm still gone for a 1 to 2, right? My risk reward is still good, right? Don't be worried about, well, I can't have a tight stop loss, okay? A big tight. See, look what happens, right? We'll do this on the 15-minute charts. Watch the 1 hour now. Okay, so now everybody starts selling from here, right? Bang, take out liquidity, drop price, done. I made 800 pips. I made like, what was that, 4 grand or 2.5 grand? No, £2,800 in literally less than an hour. And just in this simulation, I made 7.27%. So there you go there. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope that was an insight to how simple trading needs to be. I mean, price is still in a downtrend. It is still in a downtrend, okay? It is still just looking, it's going lower lows and lower highs, okay? That is it. Keep it simple. So enjoy today's video. My name is Jamie Palmer. Thank you for watching.